Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte, and I have the honor to introduce No H2O. Now, what is No H2O? Please tell me who you guys are. What's this about?
Hi, I'm Doug Ross, owner and president of No H2O here in Canton. And it was developed by Emmett O'Brien, an F1 race car driver, where there was a need for waterless, no mess car washes and details. We provide that to Canton area customers in a very convenient fashion.
And I'm Jake Ross, Director of Fleet and Trucking for No H2O Canton.
I'm Gino Ross, head detailer here in Canton.
So I got a question, guys. I'm not sure what all this means, but can you demo what exactly you're talking about on this dirty car?
Of course. So what I've got here is our solution. It's a polymer coating and it's completely biodegradable and safe for your paint. It won't scratch it. So it's basically a really easy three-step process here.
So I wanted to know here, when I look at this dirty spot here, and I'm not washing the car ahead of time, you're saying No H2O, this polymer, whatever this is, won't scratch my paint. It's safer than a car wash.
Yes.
Like car washes sometimes are more abrasive, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Now this is a detailing service that's new to the area here, and you guys have the market in the Canton and surrounding areas, correct?
Yes, we do.
Okay, show me this section right here, what it looks like before and after.
Right. So I'm going to spray this panel down really well, just from all the dirt from the winter time. Going to take my green cloth, going to pick up all of the dirt off the panel first. You can really see here how big of a difference it makes.
Absolutely.
Just with the first wipe. And the second and last step here is the yellow cloth I'm going to take and buff the polymer coat in, so that really seals the paint and protects it from anything for up to 3 weeks.
That's awesome. So when you do this detailing, it's outside and inside both?
Yes, both interior and exterior.
So the question I have then is, if I wanted to have it done for a car like this, what would be a typical cost to detail the inside and the outside?
Well, a bronze package, interior and exterior, that runs at $150.
If I can reach out and say, shop local, work with local contractors, like support local businesses, how can they reach you so they understand what No H2O is really about?
You can reach me at 330-409-3631, or you can get more info on our website at www.noh2ocanton.com.
Say that again.
www.noh2ocanton.com.
So you mentioned earlier that you actually can go to the customer. Like say I'm at work and I'm busy working all day.
Yep.
Can you come out to my work and just detail out my car?
Absolutely. That's typically how we do most of our clients.
And how long of a time would it take to wrap up that project?
About an hour to an hour and a half.
Okay, sounds good. So in closing, I just want to say these gentlemen, family-owned, father-son business locally here in the Stark County area. If you're interested in supporting local businesses, how can you be reached again?
You can call or text me at 330-409-3631.
Shop local. Thank you for tuning in.